Today we will review the new graphing feature in the Ubiquity Cloud. This new graphing tool is automatically available to Ubiquity users and included in the subscription. There's no need to perform any updates or downloads. Like all Ubiquity features, it is built into the Ubiquity Cloud interface. The first change you will notice is on the site homepage. On the device graphics, you will see a small graphing icon in the upper right-hand corner of each graphic. Clicking on this icon will open a pop-up that will present the trended data using the new graphing feature. All data points that are mapped will automatically appear on this page. This data will be for the last 7 days and be presented in 5-minute increments. A key to all of the data points is on the top of the page, and clicking on or off any data header will display or hide each data point. If the range of the data changes, the graph will automatically rescale. Scrolling over the top right-hand corner will reveal several additional features. Download Plot as a PNG will automatically download this graphic, making it convenient to attach or embed to another document or email. The Zoom feature is selected by default and allows you to drag and release along the time frame and zoom into that time period. Pan allows you to drag along the time axis. And Reset axis will reset the graph to the 7-day time frame. Positioning the cursor inside the graph will display all the values at the same timestamp, showing the value, the time, and the point name. If you need to look at the data outside of the last 7 days, or in different increments other than every 5 minutes, close the pop-up and click on the graphing icon on the main menu bar. This will open the standard graphing tool. Select the control, then the points of that control you need to analyze. In this example, we will analyze the cooling effectiveness of the equipment, so we will select the active cooling set point, cooling stage 1, discharge air temperature, and zone temperature. You can also add an external feed point such as outdoor air temperature. Select the date range. In this case, we will use the default of the past 24 hours. Then you can change the data interval from the dropdown. In this case, we wish to look at a more granular view of the data, so we will select the 1-minute interval. Then click on Generate Graph. The same graphic display as seen in the previous pop-up will appear at the bottom of the page, with the same features of downloading as PNG file, zooming, and scrolling. You can use the calendar to change the date range, and clicking the Download button will automatically download the data to a CSV file. This concludes our brief demo of Ubiquity Cloud's new graphing tool. If you have any questions or comments, please contact our sales or tech support teams.